In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an image inside a Notion table step by step. This is a super useful trick if you're using Notion for project management, content planning, databases, or just organizing your work visually. Images inside tables can make your Notion workspace much clearer and easier to scan. If you're new to Notion, or even if you've been using it for a while and didn't know this feature existed, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Notion tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to add your table. If you don't already have a page, click on New Page from the Notion sidebar. Give your page a name so it's easy to recognize later. Once your page is open, you can either create a brand new table or use an existing one. To create a new table, type /table and choose Table Inline or Table Full Page, depending on your preference. Now that your table is ready, decide which cell you want to add an image to. Click directly inside that cell so it's highlighted. This step is important because Notion needs to know exactly where to place the image. Once the cell is active, simply start typing the word image. You'll see Notion's block menu appear with different options. From that menu, click on Image. This tells Notion that you want to insert an image inside that table cell. After clicking Image, Notion will give you a few options for adding your image. You can upload a file from your computer, embed an image using a link, or choose an image that's already in your workspace. For this example, click on Upload File. This will open your file browser. Select the image you want to use and click Open. Notion will then upload the image and place it directly inside the table cell. Once the image is added, you can click on it to resize it or adjust how it looks within the cell. You can also add text in other columns to describe the image or use it as a visual reference for your data. This is perfect for things like product lists, mood boards, content calendars, or task databases. If you want to add images to multiple rows, just repeat the same steps for each cell. Click the cell, type image, choose image, and upload your file. That's all there is to it. Adding images to Notion tables is quick, simple, and makes your workspace much more powerful and visually organized. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to add an image in a Notion table step by step. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.